Good morning, class 2. Today we will continue chapter 8, Safety and First Aid. Right? Yes. So, what is safety? What is safety? Safety means learning to protect oneself from any harm. Right? Yes. What is safety? Safety means learning to protect oneself from any harm. Right? Yes. Now, what is first aid? What is first aid? Yes. What is first aid? First aid is the medical help we give before the doctor comes. Right? Yes. We have already read safety on the road, safety while playing, right? So, right. Fun time. Yes. Open the page number 44. Make a smiley for correct statement. This is smiley, and for incorrect statement, what this is smiley. This smiley states that sad, and this smiley states that happy. Right? Yes. We should play with a knife. We should not play with a knife. Right? Yes. We should not play with a knife. Keep away from sharp things like knives and blades, etc. Right? So this statement is wrong. So wrong means sad. Right? Yes. Now next, we should not stand in front of swing. Yes, right. We should not stand in front of swing. Right? Yes. True. So we have to make draw happy smiley. Now next is we should never walk on the pavement. Wrong. We should walk on the pavement, not road. Pavement means footpath, right? We should never walk on the pavement. False. False means sad. So this is smiley. And fourth one is we should follow the rules of the game. Yes, we always should follow the rules of the game. We should always follow the rules of the game. Right? It is true. And we should cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, right. True. Yes. Now, next is safety at school. Do not keep your bottle and bag on the floor. It blocks the way for others. Second one is do not stand on desk and chair. Never fight with others or bully them. Do not run in the corridors or on the stairs. And always listen to your teacher. And never break a queue or push others while waiting in a queue. Queue means line. And do not run or push on the stairs. Right? Walk in a line while going up or down the stairs. Right? Yes. Do not run in the corridors or on the stairs. Right? Walk in a line while going up or down the stairs. Do not push or pull each other. Right? And do not push each other on the swings. Right? And do not jump on the chair and desks. Yes. Now, safety at home. Safety at home. Do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, right? Because they can hurt you. And do not touch electric wires and plugs, right? Yes. Or put your toys back in their proper place after playing. After playing, you put your toys back in their proper place, right? Yes. And do not throw them on the floor and here and there, right? Do not touch the electric switches when your hands are wet, right? Do not try to light a matchstick. It can be very dangerous. Keep away from hot surfaces like gas stove, oven, refrigerator, toaster, heaters, and never taste medicines on your own. And do not run up and down the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself. Like, do not jump on a bed or a sofa, and stay away from fire like stove, oven, toaster, heaters, right? And do not touch electric wires or sockets. Yes. Keep away from sharp things like knives, blades, because they can hurt you. And do not lean over balcony railing, right? Yes. And stay away from fire. Do not play with matchsticks and all other things. Yes. Now, safety in a vehicle. Safety in a vehicle, like safety in the bus or car, right? Stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. Always wait in a line for the bus. Always get in or out of vehicle after it has stopped, right? Do not push others while getting on or off a bus. Sit properly on your seat. Do not stand near the door of the bus. Yes. Never put your head or hand out of a moving vehicle, right? Yes. Sit properly on your seat, right? Yes. And never disturb the driver. Do not open the door of a moving vehicle. If vehicle is moving, then do not open the doors, okay? And always wear a seat belt while sitting in a car, like yes. And wait for the car or bus to stop before getting off. Yes. Okay. And always wear a seat belt in the car. It keeps you safe in case of an accident. Yes. And some more safety rules. Never go alone for a swimming. Use a swimming tube if you are beginner, right? Yes. And use a swimming tube if you are learning to swim and if you are a beginner. And do not go alone for a swim, right? Always, if hurt, now inform the teacher, right? Yes. And never tease stray animals on the road. They may get angry and bite you. Never tease stray animals, right? Yes. If you or someone else gets hurt, inform an elders such as your teachers, your parents, your teachers if you are in the school, and if your parents if you are at home, right? In the meantime, make the patient comfortable and help him or her to relax. Right? Yes. Thank you, class.